What I'm gonna tell my mother if I'm drowned?
Well, if you're drowned, you were not going to tell her anything. You won't be around to tell her. But you won't. You'll be alive. I will save you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maggy Films. And you know, say it's a girl, Pinky. And guys, want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, this movie is epic. Please watch it to the finish. We are here at this beautiful place at Catch by the Sea. It's located in Negril. Guys, it's a very chill area. If you want vibes with a partner or a friend, it's a nice area to go. Them have pool, they have a beach side, they have a bar, you have a sitting table. It is so perfect.
There was a white woman. Yeah, idiots.
Oh,
You know.
one more. Yes, it is.
Yo, I need to buy some more weed, you know. Can't believe this me have left back. Call it one Rango. See if we have more stock. Yo, Rango. You ready with? You know, say I saw more stock me a link upon. You don't have no more. Alright, me dey up on my yard here, so me a forward come give a check. Yeah.
Daddy!
What's up, sorry? Alright.
Yeah.
Daddy love you here? Yeah. B, me a go up on the road go look some money for you, you hear?
Oh, I got work now.
Yeah, me a go up on the road there now.
Alright, be safe. Bring something back for me.
Sorry, Daddy soon come here?
Yeah.
Daddy a go buy ice cream for you. Yeah. And cake. Yeah. Later, give me a link up. Yeah, Daddy love you.
Remember to bring back a thing for me, yeah?
Alright, remember that, be how you mean, man, anything for you.
Alright, be safe.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sorry, later, yeah?
Bye.
David.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, where you say now? Because right now I'm late, no more hurry up on the little juggling.
Well, I know, man. Something what you do for me, man.
Daddy, talk faster, Daddy.
You go up on the road now, see?
Yeah.
If you make no money, I beg you, lend me $5,000. When I come back, you know, say we get it back, man. Boy, your mother for buy some groceries, put in her house, you see me? Matter of fact, when you wake up from morning, you go road, and you not even go check your mother, and flew the pan woman. And
so, daddy, how me know say flew the pan mommy? Your mommy not around there. Daddy, me and my daughter have to go hustle for, you know. My daughter need things, you know.
Alright, when I come back, if you make no money, just give her the $5 make she buy some groceries.
That if me make none, you know, because I tell her say police ma deal with me and way up on the beach, you know, daddy.
Angry bank, man. Yo, son. No say you're a big man still, you know. Careful on the road, yeah? I know say you have a father, look.
Alright, daddy. No respect.
No, man. Hold on. No, Simon, man. But see you no feel good. Look how you all sweat, man. But see you no feel good and the flu upon you. You can't rape, man. When we come back from the road, we rape up here.
We have to do, Barry. If it not do, it will go pile up on me. And I have to go do dinner and everything.
Come out, son. I have to go up on the road, go call up one piece of money from it. Also, I go call it. What me that do? But the money not ready yet. David say he will buy dinner for really come on. So just go in, relax yourself, cool on, go under the fan, man. Yeah? I'm come off of the road, I'm wake up the yard. Yeah?
You do it. No. You know what, I now step on my own. I go look for my daughter, my granddaughter, daughter-in-law.
Yeah, simple, man, and cool off, little man.
Baby, you there? Hello? Hey! Only my grandbaby will make me feel better. Come. Are you there? You alright, baby? Oh God, me glad to see you, you know.
Hey, Queen. I go up on the road, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only she make you smile so wide.
What I mean? One granddaughter, you know. Later, baby.
Alright, baby, later. Walk good, yeah? I don't want to make you sick, baby. So, me have the flu a beat me bad. No, sir. I don't want the baby get sick. I just want to see her. How you do, my daughter-in-law?
You know, some of them do. You know what them they get my friend one them get one cover, but boy, man, I get you at all, you know.
You know, if I hide it from me, you know. Where a woman I like. Me know say my son no want you for work, not true?
You know, say him not really want me work, though, but one hand can't clap, you know. Come say we have a baby and him look hustling not really and make much. So me have to work, all of them not want me work, but I tell me not really have nobody to keep the baby, you know, and then, but you know, so I can't live here with you anytime.
Then no must.
Boy, right now, to get to work, it come like it hard in Jamaica.
It hard everywhere, baby. It hard everywhere. The government, they might make it hard for people. But you just have to try, because you have sheep to worry about.
I this one, I look at the supermarket down there, saying, so I go try, probably next week or so, but I don't really want your son know until I get the work, because I tell him I really want me work. See her right now.
Apart from the cough, you can't keep me down still.
No worry yourself, man. You still get better. Because you ever tell me to drink up this and drink up that, you know. So are you if you drink it up now, because are you ever tell me say, remember what you may have a flu, and one way you tell me say if you drink up, I know you have a flu now, you know I drink up is up them.
But me never expect you to give me the flu.
Yeah, because I say you make my one go away, you know. So you can't make your one go away.
Me I do it.
Right.
Me I go do it right now. Me I got to go do home, go do it right now. I mean, I like the feeling, man.
No, someone, to be honest truth, you know, I don't really want work. Because I don't really like, oh, the outcome of this are coming up. Because watch it. You see, oh, them all on pan be over there.
Dirty brute then.
And then the whole on him the month before. So you bail him last week, me bail him the month before. Me can't bother with them something there, you know. Cause I really want my baby to grow up without a father.
No.
That's why I really want to get a little work. So you know, so I can't help him to not feel it, depend it that much. Cause I know how them police boy, you know. Me they tell him say, be one back at school, go learn one trade or something. You know what I tell you know. Cause he might tell me about in one school not go pay him and school not go this and school not go that, but it better in go school than in the Penny Bridge and this a time you know when they hold him, you know, nobody can go bail him, you know. I sleep this night having in my bed for much of days when they take
Remember
him
the
last
tears.
month, you know. Plus again next week.
Nobody call
Last
it down.
mean.
Me know.
Me not call it down, but this is not really. What do you? Come, go on in, go and go lie down. Go on, me so come. But to be honest, as true me no want to talk certain things with in front of baby. But you know you're my mother-in-law. But your son in not here. He really not here because tell me, you know. You know, you could go look on wholesale work or one construction work. You want to go on the beach, go sell weed, and that risky, you know, my mother-in-law. He come like him not hear, him not learn. The amount of time he get locked up, he not plan for cheap. But thinking if you do a construction work. Because I want him to talk to him, you know, and I say to him, say, B, you rather if you get locked up and me alone raise the pit, you know, you go look on construction work, you might worry about pride and what your friend I go say, friend what this now go say, right now, I can't bother.
David head tough from him born. Him born I get problem. Him heart soft and nice, you see? But you see when him have something in his head, nobody can change his mind. Me talk to him. All police and jail not change his mind. He must have change his mind on him own. Cause you see when he make up his mind for something, he head tough. Me know what you're saying is right, you know.
You know, my mother come and tell me say she have one little work, One on the baby. My grandmother talk, here. Go and go watch them here. When I so come here, go and sit down in the living room. Come in everywhere I hear certain things. My mother call me one day and tell me say she have one garbage truck work for him. When me come in here and tell him, I find my mother, you know, my mother come to Jamaica, come find garbage truck for him. And him go tell me say, oh no, him can't do that. That boy can't do them work
him
here.
too hot and him too brown and him too. No, man.
And him friend them a go laugh off him. Oh, him alright, what him a do, but
him not realize say them same friend and laugh after him when him in a lock up, you know.
none of them not look for him, you know. None of them not look for him. So when him did then in a jail for the 2 weeks, them.
Now one of them go. I mean, no say you carry clean clothes for me and me carry food.
Right, and I wait if you take care of baby. Alone.
He's a good woman.
Listen to me. It don't nice at all. The baby the ball sleepless night me they have.
Cause she love her daddy, you know.
You understand me?
Me know it tough. We try change him, but only him can change himself.
And listen to me. I know somebody want to talk to you about something.
Talk to me, man. You can talk to me, you know.
You know woman something else about him do.
Talk to me, how?
Right now, I don't even know him for say it. Because I know you take it in an offensive way, but that's just something I hear him say.
Come man, me and you a big woman, talk to me.
I'm still a wonder if Barry him father. Cause him say a long time him still a think about them something there what they may hear him and him talk or them used to bully him and this and that, so that's still upon his mind. So me I wonder if that make him a go on so.
Shana, you know how many years David I live with that dead over him? Let me tell you something, I'm not afraid for chat. Me no say Barry a David father. None of them swim him sperm up to my egg. So none of them can talk for me and him. Them a look on it and say with them full self. Me black. Barry black. David come out brown. Them not realize say everybody in your DNA. You see my great-grandmother? My great-grandmother was an Irish woman. Come from Ireland, Europe. My great-grandfather was Ghanaian. So we have every family interfered with. So David come with the brown.
I know so that me I tell him say what they say. Me you can't listen to people because sometimes genetics.
Hi. What's up? I'm fine. Good.
He's a nice guy. Just needs some longer locks.
Hey man, any high grade for you today? Any high grades for you today? Okay, no problem. Okay, big up.
You're the point my turf.
You want no turf, so?
I mean, I might turf this, you know.
Yo, go fast and watch it, man. Hold on, no bad man. I wouldn't said when I call police for a man, you know. But I want turf.
I might turf this, I know. Me run my turf, you know. No one not gonna run my turf for me, you know. I mean, run as so. So you move from here. I mean, run the place.
What?
But in now look on it that the way then I make people get to him head. Every year say him putting a film and I overthink about it.
Let me tell you where the root come from. And that's why it a bother him so. Me did have a wicked, let me say wicked, you know. A wicked ass auntie. Between me, you and God. There was a time before David come, you see. Every relationship, teeth and tongue meet. And me and Barry never did a two go on good. But me never know, say, me and Barry do it. Me and your big woman. Me and Barry do it thing. And then we fall out. And me go east and him go west. Me never know, see me a breed. Me go to my auntie and stay for a while. Meet a man and I chat to him, but nothing no go on. Cause the man rank and feisty and want me to do things that big woman not to do. Me run him, hey.
Right.
So nothing no go on there, so. Then Barry phoned me and contact me and bawl and beg and plead with eye water and nose not. So me say, let me go back and give him a try. Girl, you see when me come back to me yard, hey! And at the time, me start vomit up my throat, you know. Me no realize, you know, me still a do me thing and I vomit and I do me thing and I vomit and I still a go through. Cause me when I for work and hustle, Barry never did a work them the time. Caca fart. I'm my best friend. I look at me and say, girl, you vomit. You vomit. And I call for headache. Go check yourself. Me laugh after her and tell her if I'm going to move herself and I call them the things up. Ready for what? But girl, me a hot girl, you know. Hey, you see before me turn mother, as this long for me, you know. A battery ride me did wear, you know.
Believe you.
Hey, your mother-in-law was a hot girl. Before me get blue.
Come to them and say yes.
So me find out, say me I breed with David. And David come, but you see that auntie? Hey, my Aunt Evelyn, she's a wicked. She teamed with her sister, Ina. And the two of them go spread the rumor about me.
Yeah.
And go say how me sleep with the man. Hey, you see them, the two auntie, Aunt Evelyn and Aunt Tina? Then go tell to me sleep with everybody. Me go sell what me not go sell. And I so make the rumors start.
You want blood?
On blood wickeder than friend, make me tell you.
My dear, sometimes I hear you so when the people ever say, blood thicker than water. Right now, sometimes water
thicker than blood.
Oh.
That. For right now, that's where it all start from. And then it go in him head and it's like a seed.
Oh, God.
And I saw it plant in a David head. From before the baby born, them the rumors are spread, baby girl. All school them have it a mocking me, cause you know how community tan.
Oh God, yeah, so why I'm being so, you know? Cause you know sometimes when I see people do some things, actually I don't even know what in them head, you know.
Him head off is strong from him little bit. Him head off is strong. How you wouldn't meet him? So that's why when him get an idea in him head, it lacking and it hard for come out. Cause him have to grow up tough.
I know say yeah man and you love it so much cause every day him talk about him go buy your beats and this. But I think you need to sit down with him. Have a one-on-one conversation. Make there's something that come out cause of that day. Me I tell you say at night time him they sing some song and I listen some song, some chronic lines, some this and some that. And he come like say my mad out.
Girl, me talk to him, me explain to him. Him all know the auntie them too. Me I'll take him a counseling. So the only thing left for them that me can say, I pray for him. All we can do, I pray for him.
No, be prayer, you know. But anyways, my mother, like, see where your grandpa never meant him come back, so you might get miserable. So I'm going to be a Dara for now and give her some feet and go put her for sleep. So later, right?
All right, now go get some water and something for the cold.
Drink this something where they give me for the cold, drink it for yourself.
That's true. Come here, sweat it out still. Me I
Alright, come in the way and
me no want to give it to you for you give the baby.
Me go. But me here. So
Give her a kiss for me. Me can't kiss her.
Alright.
Hey, any smoking? High grade. Boy, beach are rough today.
Still I come back by my turf yacht. Eh? I don't want you on my turf, my youth. Yes, sir. Because just a come through a place like, I mean, I like them vibe there in the yacht. If you pass through, I know you can stop on my turf, you know. Because of me run my turf, no man can run my turf for me here, sir.
Oh, hey. How are you?
What's up?
Do you work here?
Well, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little hustler on the streets, you know.
So-
I sell marijuana.
Oh.
I juggle lots of things.
Oh, like what? What else? What can you show me?
Oh, I can do enough things, but this is what I'm dealing with now. Like herb, marijuana,
Okay.
ganja.
Anything else?
Oh, I run by taxi sometimes because I am a hustler.
Do you have a girlfriend?
It's kind of complicated.
Well, that works out. I'm kind of complicated too. Do you want to sit down for a minute?
No, I am in a little hurry.
Well, I'm sure you have a minute. Come on.
Okay, no
Alright.
problem.
So, you can't hang out for a little while, or what's going on?
As I say, I am in a little hurry because I have family at home who are depending on me, so I have to do the best.
Well, we can go hang out at your place if you want.
You sure that is a good idea?
Well, why not?
I think that is very uncomfortable for you.
Well, how close by are you? We can just take a walk.
Oh, I live like in Negril
Okay.
at Whitehall.
All right. That's not that far.
And I to tell you the truth, I have to leave now because that guy you see over there, he's the guy who run me a while ago.
Well, what does that mean?
Say, this turf is fee him turf. Like, we are hustlers in the street.
Okay.
We go around and we sell like marijuana.
Okay.
And he's a staff over here, but you know that we are young youth, get a youth, so we juggle a lot.
So, do you have a visa? Do you travel? Have you ever been away from Jamaica?
No, I never traveled before.
Would you like to?
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
I always want to travel.
I'm the perfect person to maybe help you get out of here and get a green card.
Green card. You sure about that?
It'd be great. It's so much fun to travel. You would love to see where I come from. It's so different from here. You can make some money there. You think you can make money selling weed? You can make so much more money where I come from.
Well, to be honest, it's kind of hard out here.
And it's easy where I come from.
So, what I'm gonna do? You sure you wanna come home with me?
Yeah.
How long you gonna stay in Jamaica for?
I have about 8 more days left.
I'm gonna go home and prepare my place because the place is kind of messy.
Well, I don't care how messy it is.
No, if you invite a nice lady like you at my home
Yeah.
need to hear.
I just love this place, and I feel like you're the perfect person to help get a green card.
Green card. You sure about the green card?
Yeah, I love it here, and I feel like I could get you to my place. I could come back here. We could be happy.
So, here what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go home because I live with my mom, my dad, also with my sister and my niece. Because my sister have a daughter,
Aw,
which is my niece.
I want to meet them.
Smart. So what I'm gonna do,
Okay.
I'm gonna take your number because I have to leave now.
All right.
So give me your number.
Okay. My name's Kira.
Kira. Okay. So I'm gonna leave now. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Kira.
to meet you too. All right. So listen, don't worry about that guy over there because as long as you're talking to me, you're fine. I'm a tourist and
All right,
I
no
got
problem.
you. I got your back.
Nice to
All right.
meet you again.
I'll see you.
Kira. Same.
All right. Catch you later. That might work. It was cute.
Baby,
Yeah.
I go on. Where baby?
In the round that's I play right now. He must just me.
Why for me that time love play. Your remote round there.
So how was it? What one?
B. Want to hear me out and looking through what me I say. You just hear me out and not looking through what me I say. Or I look on one side of the story.
What happened?
The streets kinda rough. It hard. Me I tell you say police them a move grimy from over there. You see all the weed farm up a hills there? She don't even know officer right and him crew running up there. And cut out everyone.
Tell them to do that.
They have a rights to do it. I know how them for do it. Them have a rights. Remember say, I didn't hurt them a do you know. Even though some weed man, they only farm them have their license, but weed illegal to walk around within a bulk. But anyway, the beach, it kinda rough out there. Me I tell you say be a fight. You know, some long time man up there. I go always want to fight it, just come them. And go on like a them response to the beach. But nobody not want the beach be. Right now, my mother around there. She's sick out. When me I leave out this morning, go to work. Daddy tap me this and call me and tell me, say, Mummy, have flu.
She did there with me.
And the side thing, it not work for daddy. Remember say daddy used to work on construction and then something there, you know. So, no house now build up and like back then when money used to make. Jamaica get slow, you know. So, and me right now would have to take care of Mummy. And also you. Probably all daddy too. Me have all my daughter too.
Me the same me tell say me go work. You know want me work, you just want me there in a house, like me there house work. Me can't go work too, you know. Remember say me have subject on them something that me can't go find a decent work. One hand can't clap, you know.
Sorry. Now go on, you alright, my daughter? Alright. B.
Go and go put on your phone. Cause your phone won't charge. Go and go watch them. Me soon come in. Me father talk. Go on.
Go and watch cartoon, you hear? B. I don't really say me no want to you look at work, you know. But remember say, me a man, you know. You're my only princess, not only. You're my first princess. Me response for you, and me take you up, and me breed you. So I'm supposed to stand up like a man and play a man role in your life. Leave a man role, a baby father. So, what me I try to say, you know, one white lady on the beach, she light me off.
What you mean like you have?
See, same thing. Better me never say this to you, know. Better say this cause argument and problem and a something we probably can. Me not say probably. Something we go change your life. Remember say we not have it, you know.
That's how me figure work. Me work, you work, the two of we work, two and clap. What you mean by white lady like you have? Me not understand that, David.
It's an opportunity me I get in a life.
Alright, tell me the opportunity.
The opportunity where me I get in a life is to marry the white lady. So me can get a green card, fly out.
Who ya? You're married. Yeah, you yourself? You forgot you have a baby mother and a child? What you mean by married? Me not get that part there.
This a go work out for all of we, not me alone.
Oh, for all of us, so what you gonna tell her? So what you gonna do? Put me one side and let her go do for money?
Me a go divorce her when me get a chance to reach over. Better days ahead over there.
That's like scamming. Moreover, I'ma ask you one question. So you feel like I say, what that while they know Jamaica?
Jamaica on the beach.
Cool. And she not go think say, oh, she want to come and remind you where she go come.
No, yes, sir.
Your mother, you think my house I kill this house?
Be take time talk now. When you get opportunity in a life, you know, load up it. You don't know who they on the building and listen.
Wait. So you want to bring woman in here, say David, with the baby? Where are so wait, when she come here saying come say yes, so we living up. Where you gonna tell her we are who to you?
Tell her, me go tell her say you're my sister. Force the baby if you don't call me daddy. Tell her if you call me uncle.
Oh, you go force the baby if you call your uncle?
You can't get them up. Your baby father get them an opportunity in a life. You can't make me let it turn it on.
Alright, me go find one white man today. Me go see. Yeah, so if me come on me tell us say, you know, see me find one white man and then want marry me and take me and my picking you accept it. But you?
That's why I never want to say nothing to you. I did want to do it and just surprise you, you know.
You're a surprise. No ramp with me, no. Don't ramp with me because I years me dedicated in my life for you. But you're a surprise.
So what if you work out when me get a chance to go overseas? Remember me tell us I'm going to divorce her, you know. Me go over there go work or me go do something and reach out. Remember say if me reach out, you know, you're my baby mother. My daughter, my mother run about there so sick out. Plus, my daddy not have a work right now. All around me not left out none of them. Me I go file for you, know. All around. You think me I go left out none of them? You all around I go fly upon plane. Both you, daddy, my daughter Zari, and mommy.
And that you say now, because you not reach the plane yet. Wait till you reach the plane. You forgot say you have mother, father, sister, everybody. You have forgot about your picnic. You think say me a idiot, David? Say me if you tell me, say me I go take out the years out of my life. Sit down yourself with you, then you go married woman for me, and then you go find go figure out about me and my picnic and my Jamaica suffer. You mad? Listen to me now, just cut out the arms house thing, you know, cut out the slackness here. It got to be another way. Oh.
B, stop think negative now. Be wise, think positive. How me forgot to know? How? You can't figure to know. You're my baby mother. I love you till you go when you walk. And you know see how I cherish you. You know see? You know see me love all my mother. Right now I go up on the road and I tell her say I want $7 grand me make. I may have to go take it 5 grand if you can't get some medication from my mother, because me say my mother sick out and I use it 2 grand.
We are what like say something major. A flu.
Well, me never know. To daddy make it sound this man when me I left out. He make it sound like a something serious.
Me not there. I remember when me have flu, what there she give me something for drink, you know. So the same something she give me for drink and the same something she say she go drink and she
Well, me can't give her 2 grand and we keep it 5 grand, buy some things to me you want to be able to.
Right now, that stress me out, you know.
Babe, me go up on the road, on the beach. If we tell her out they're tough right now, a 2 giant me get for sell. 2 to 2 tours, 2 giant. Nothing on go on rough youth. So if me get an opportunity like that, just second and just observe better days ahead. Think about that. So what you say? Deal or no deal?
So why didn't I believe in a polygamist? So why you couldn't tell the woman say you have a family? So you don't think if she really like you, she can accept you and your family?
B, polygamy, I when you're married. Me and I'm married. We are talk about.
So why you try to say you're not gonna marry me to what? Me no wife material, me no deserve ring to. Me no ringable, me finger no ringable.
B, you see, if you is a woman we just sit down and listen to meds, you would understand what me tell her say. Me I go divorce her. You divorce me, I go divorce her, you know. After married you, so you can reach overseas. You are my daughter, my mother, and my father.
Alright, listen man. Me I think about it now, let's give it a shot. But let me tell you this, and get it up in your head. You say anything what you feel like I say, you go do like double cross this a plan here. Every dollar also mash come and I ask you. Matter of fact, you see when I get the white, you have the white man number though?
Yeah, me get her number.
You have a tech number already, but anyway, send it to me for WhatsApp. Because if you feel like I say the plan, you go do what you want to do when you reach over there and you make a sad mistake. Oh, so send her number to me for WhatsApp.
Bean, but me can't do that.
What you mean you can't do that? Listen to me, me not text the lady, you know. All the way me and that lady meet is when you decide that you want to go over the plan and stay foreign and left you out here for suffer. Then me and her out to go meet. Come go tell her everything, every dollar post go mash up. So what you know? Send the woman number to me on WhatsApp or else no agreement. You understand? No agreement if I cannot have the lady number. And moreover, remember saying you say me your sister, so I'm a sister-in-law. So she must want to talk to her sister-in-law. Send the number. Matter of fact, you say there's a think about there's a clip yourself over this. Remember, you know, sister-in-law and sister-in-law must turn friends. So you see, if you don't give me the number, I shall get it. I know I'm gonna get it from the next way around, you know. So please to send me the number, okay? Everything so you're gonna leave me at Jamaica for suffer, you make a sad mistake. Just send her the number, darling.
Alright, deal.
Deal. I really have kept myself now. I really do. I really have kept myself now. I really do. Let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna go me do ya.
Mommy! Mommy! Look, Kelly. So you come meet me, mommy, like you know want me come around there.
Of course you can come around them. My home is still your home. But wait. And you call me.
You know, say tell the truth, me did go work today and daddy had tell me so look at situation where I go through around it. Say you're sick out and anything me. Say I have nothing to eat. But Never make nothing much today, no.
So how you come home so quick?
Not true you. True you make me come home now. How you think me reach home so early?
So when I feel love you, you know.
You know say anything fit more than anything, you know. Anything more than do for you. Buy
David, me love you, you know.
buy one medicine. Come here say I flu on.
No man, we have medicine, you know.
Alright, Zari, me I come there, mommy. Zari, go inside. Daddy soon come here.
We have medicine, my boy.
Alright,
But
so
it can buy things for cook.
mommy, don't worry yourself. You have me heartbeat. You have me heartbeat. And me I tell you, this is between me and you. They even tell daddy, me have a plans to take care of all of you. But me not tell you plans until you work out. Because you know good if you have a plans and talk about it.
You learn right. God bless you. I can't even hug you, my boy. Come here, cough. But
I
thank
understand,
you. Here.
man.
God bless you. Thank you. God bless you here.
Mommy, you don't have to thank me so much, you know. Remember, say me and your son, you know. I bus me, I go bus and go a foreign. Take care of the whole of you. Sooner or later, the whole of you go travel on plane back and forth. Just believe in what your son tell us.
Oh, God. Farin. That's why I feel love you, you know. You always had a good heart in you. You're special, you know, David. You're special.
Mommy, remember, say without you, you know, one of the have to turn up right now and chat to you, you know. So who me have to give praise? Who me have to crown? You
God
and the most
first.
high. Oh God, man, man, God prayers. You know, say God have to get the praise. I am the Almighty. And you next. I'm a family, little family next.
You see, me have to love her, you know. Cause she remind me of you when you did grow up. Same way she bright and clever and loving.
She's smart, man. Alright, Zari. Alright.
Alright, me I go around now, cause being the son here. Thank you and God bless you, my son. Me love you, my baby here.
Alright, mommy, take care. Mommy, thank you for always tell me something special. That motivate me. You don't even know what you do for me, mommy. You see, if the whole world did stay like how you stay, my mother, you would have better.
David, no bother with it, man. You're gonna make me ball. Let me tell you something. Me and your mother, I'm proud to be your mother. I'm love you. I chew me a cough, but me I send you love and hug. Here, my son. I'm my granddaughter. Me love you. Here. God bless you. No.
Hi, how are you? I didn't know if you were gonna come back. Good to see you again.
Same. You okay?
Yeah, it's really hot. You want to go in the shade for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, let's go this way.
Let's go this way.
Oh, that's why. Okay. We can go to my chair over here. Here, look, I already got a chair for us.
Wow. This
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. You're good here. He can't bother you. We're good here. It's a good spot. I like your shoes.
This place is very cool.
Yeah. That was weird how that guy was looking at you.
He is the one who told me to get off his turf.
Oh.
It's the same guy.
Okay.
But he can't do anything now because I'm traveling with a tourist.
Exactly. I got you. We got this. So, do you want to go back to your place or do you want a drink? Let's have a drink first.
You know that it's okay because I have a little change in my pocket.
Oh, I was going to get you one.
No, that's cool. I can get myself a juice.
Okay.
But thank you.
You're welcome. Let's have a drink. Let's have some fun.
Okay, I'm gonna get a drink. Are you coming?
Sure.
Okay.
No, you won't, I promise. No, I will tell her. I will save you. Don't spill your drink, though. Come on.
What I'm gonna tell my mother if I'm down?
Well, if you're drowned, you were not going to tell her anything. You won't be around to tell her. But you won't. You'll be alive. I will save you. You remind me of like a reggae star. You look like really familiar to me for some reason.
I get a lot.
You do?
And I can guess.
Who?
Who is it?
I can't think.
It's Marley.
Yes, exactly.
A lot of people told me that I look like Marley.
I can see that. Very cute. And talented. Do you sing?
Yes, I sing. I am an artist.
Really? What do you sing? Do I know anything?
Oh, I sing a song by the name of Long Time.
Let me hear some of it. Can you sing it right now?
Long time when I suffer, I try to make it out of the gutter.
Oh, well, you know what? You could probably make a lot of money where I live. Like, if you come to my country, I'm sure you'd make way more than you could do here with that song.
That would be great.
It will.
For me and my family.
Me and you.
Of course. You're the main one.
Well, of course. You would be my husband and we could make millions off of your music.
Hey, Kira, you hold this.
All right, you look a little tipsy. No. Wait, I'll hold the alcohol. You get.
I'm not tipsy. I'm witsy.
Hey,
go.
it rhymes with my name. No, it doesn't. Whoa! Here, hold you up. Yeah, I thought you can't swim. I didn't know you can't walk either.
I don't know them boy I get white woman, you know, because them boy are junkie, you know. A junkie, you know, rum stocky them boy, you know. I tell you, them a rum stocky, you know, if me ever come back from the beach, I say, me give me rat chicken in the face, you see, all them boy, you see them boy, a rum stocky them, you know. Me I tell you that, you know, they get white woman at the place, you know. Me I tell you, come back from the beach and you know, bust me rat chicken at you. Yo.
So this is where you live?
Yes, this is where I live. My brethren all live over there. This is like a garrison, a ghetto.
Okay.
And this is where I live. This is my great-great-grandfather's house.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's
and
pretty.
my grandmother now, she doesn't live here anymore because she cannot get along with my great-grandfather.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna bring her in and let you get used to the place.
Okay. It's pretty. I like it.
Yes, it's wonderful.
It's really pretty.
Mommy! Mommy! So this is my sister.
Oh, hi.
Shauna.
So nice to meet you.
This is Kira. Kira, this is Shauna, my sister.
Hi.
So you could have a seat.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and call my parents. So be right back.
So nice to meet you.
Same. So how are you doing?
I'm good. It's so hot here. I feel like I'm melting.
I'm so coming from the same parents.
Aren't they your parents too?
Oh, yes, yes. I'm so our parent. But you know, we just call it your parents.
Okay, yeah.
Welcome, daughter.
Yeah, thank you. I like the house.
Thank you.
Oh,
What do you?
hi.
Oh, this is his niece, right?
Hi. He told me about you. You're the niece?
Say hi to her.
Hi. What's your name?
Hiya.
Oh, I love that. You're so pretty.
Yeah.
You know? I know. I love your earrings. I have earrings too.
You're nice.
She's so cute.
Yeah, thank you.
So your friend there?
She inside. Mommy, remember me did talk to you, know. Daddy, I want to meet my friend. She's a white lady, which is my best friend. Me know you love call your daughter-in-law. You love your in-law them. I want to take off your in-law and call her your daughter.
You do what for?
Just follow the program. Just follow the program.
Alright, you follow the procedure already.
Let's go.
Yeah, so, they're coming. See, Grandma. Who's that?
Hey. It's so nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Simone.
It's so nice to meet you.
Yes, I'm their mother.
Daddy, come in now. Yeah, I'm so shy.
Shy with what?
Oh, hi. It's really nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
And you all have the best locks. Is that ganja?
Yeah, man. But I don't call it ganja, I call it marijuana.
Oh, say that again?
I call it marijuana.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a good stuff, that.
It smells like it.
No, it's not. It is.
You can sit back down, you
Okay,
know.
sorry.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Right.
Hi.
Yeah,
Are you hungry?
No, because nothing. I just something run back to me. And then no more. Even when mama did what did me and when me and David did smile and them.
Your face low like a baby.
I'm just nervous. Sorry.
You don't have to be nervous.
Well.
Everything good.
Well, anyways, everyone, this is Kira, which is my friend. I want to introduce, say Kira, I will be a part of the family. So I want to introduce the family to Kira. So Kira, you are now welcome to the family.
Thank
Is everyone okay with that?
Welcome to the family.
Yo, me at the outside of smoke, yeah?
Alright, Daddy. Kira, where are you going?
I forgot something. Hold on. Do you have any more of that ganja?
You know, so now I read. I don't really have any more. It's just this only that I got to get someone again.
We can share.
Yeah, and then I come back. Alright?
Okay.
I'll come back, please.
Oh, so you'll come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Hi.
Here.
Oh.
So, Kira, is
Yeah.
it? How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Does it matter?
What? No. Just
Can I
one.
ask you one question, darling?
Uh-huh.
What type of man you like?
Your brother?
Oh, you sure?
He's really cute.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Didn't I tell you that I sell ganja?
Yeah?
So why did you go and ask my father when you know I sell ganja?
Well, I didn't think you had any left. I thought you said you were sold out.
Oops.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. That's so we stay.
So, hold on, David, tell us that they sell ganja?
No?
Oh.
Yeah. You soon come, yeah. Go use the bathroom and come back. Get yourself comfortable.
Oh.
My mother, niece, and my sister soon come.
You're good, man. You're at home. With family.
You're the home. So I can ask you what
Oh,
to
yeah.
sister-in-law. No worry about that, man. You like Rasta, man?
Yeah. What is that?
No, it just looks so. It just looks so. You know what, too? Most overseas people like Rasta. Them like, yeah.
Their hair, you know,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
nice.
This hair is not, it's hard to maintain and everything and hard to manage. Rastaman is a different kettle of fish. You have to be a real empress to manage a Rastaman.
Right, like my mother-in-law, right?
Mm-hmm. I like which mother-in-law.
Oh, hey, mother, yeah.
Hey, you have boyfriend and not tell your mother.
Mommy, listen to me. Mommy, no, never yourself, man. We won't talk about that.
Can you do my hair? Maybe.
Say again?
Can you do my hair?
Maybe.
Someone, I don't know, just make it
What would you like done to your hair?
whatever will make me fit in.
Oh, man, I hear this, right? So you can ask you.
I know a good hairdresser.
Right.
I know a brilliant hairdresser on the beach. And she will give you a good discount too.
Right.
Oh,
I always say plenty of Rasta man dead here, but I say I'm a brother. Remember, I'm a brother.
all right.
Yeah, so take your time, man. No? Don't rush it.
Whatever he wants me to look like, I'll, you know, if he wants me to change my hair, you know.
You want to change it here for what?
So, I don't know.
No, darling, I'm like blondie.
Oh.
You love blondie.
Okay. Oh, that's, yeah. Love,
Would you like a drink, Kara?
please,
It's hot, don't?
please.
Alright.
I really could use a
I
drink.
know it's your place, but don't talk, man. Don't talk.
Wow, it's really hot. Sorry. Oh.
Yes.
No, I like your hair though.
Thanks. But as I'm a boyfriend back home, but listen to me. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Right? Sit down and stop behind. Listen to me.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, I like your
I'm
nails.
take my brother like.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yes, he was a nice man. We realize a man, him look at his heavy and him take good care of it. He's a nice man.
I think so. I love your nails.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, now that we'll be sisters, maybe you can give me nails too.
Look like they want everything that is mine.
Thank you so much.
It probably not be the expensive one, but I hope it's you like.
Oh, it's perfect.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
so hot.
She said she like my nails, she like my hair, she like everything that is
know.
mine.
That is good.
We could be
That
friends.
is
We could be
good.
really good friends.
Yes, man. We're family.
Would be the girls,
Yes.
the three musketeers,
Family, the two musketeers. Right.
and the fourth.
The fourth, yes.
Yeah, we got the grandbaby.
Yeah.
I was just gonna say we could have like a triple date, but that won't be necessary right now. So
Whenever you're available.
no, I said that no, I'm not really find a boyfriend if.
Oh, maybe I have a friend that would like you.
Oh,
You like American men?
yes, I do.
Okay. Well, I have some friends that are coming in.
Okay.
We can double date. Oh
Yeah.
wait, triple date.
Triple date.
You have to bring your husband too. He's cute too.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
What's your son?
What did you say?
Well,
I never
it-
hear you.
father son, they're both cute.
Oh, they're both cute.
Well, yeah,
My
all
son
of
is
you.
cute.
Well, of course, but you all are, the whole family.
Yes, it's a family tradition, but it's in a full family now, darling. Everybody cute and but sometimes we keep it inside.
Well, okay, sorry, but I mean, just so you know.
Yes.
Well, so triple date it is.
Triple date it is. As long as I bring the man, then
Yes.
man for me.
And you're,
No, I feel so we should go on a girls' day, you know.
oh,
Leave the men them and go on a girls' day.
okay.
That would be alright too.
But you have to fix me up a little.
Okay. We go to the beach. You like
Oh
the
yeah,
beach?
yeah. Okay.
You like the
Yeah,
beach?
yes.
Alright.
Let's do it.
Perfect beach. Make the
Perfect.
the perfect beach.
Ready? We'll all go swimming.
Huh?
We can swim.
I would live there.
We can go to my beach, where I met David,
Where's that?
Cottage by the Sea.
Oh,
How about tomorrow?
that's so nice.
Okay.
Me about a place now, I never go there. Me is over there, very nice.
Yeah, we'll go there.
Say this here, me David.
I met David there. He's so sweet.
I know, it's my brother.
Oh my god.
So you alright to feel at home?
Yeah, tomorrow's perfect.
Okay, that's fine. May I go see me get him to come to
Okay,
where you can?
yeah. And you can come too?
Yeah. Go and go call your uncle. Go on.
Okay. Uncle? Where's your uncle?
Baby, she not really understand.
Oh.
Alright, come on, darling. I'll
Uncle David. Yeah, that's cute. I like that.
David. David.
Yo.
Come on, the lady are calling.
Oh, thank God. I'm nervous. You keep disappearing. What?
You know, I'm okay. I'm just thinking about my family and some little hustling. That's all. Nothing much.
Okay, you just didn't look alright.
It's okay.
Daddy?
Oh, I'm so sorry about it. Zahara, your uncle is talking. Hear him so come.
What? What? Oh, she's sweet. She called you daddy.
It's because I treat her good.
That's good. I like to hear that you're a good figure in her life.
Yes. Because from that man get my sister pregnant, she's don't know where that guy turned. So even though I am an uncle of my sister daughter, I have to play a father role.
That's great. That makes me like you even more. You're responsible and she looks up to you.
Yes.
I like that. You're a good guy.
Of course I am.
So tomorrow we have a girls' day at the beach. We're gonna have your mom, your sister, and your niece.
Okay, no problem. That's cool.
I'm gonna take them to where we met.
No problem.
Hopefully it'll go well.
That's good. That's okay.
I'm nervous. So you didn't tell me your father was a Rasta man too?
Yes, my father is a Rasta and also my mom, but I used to be a Rasta before, but I cut my locks because I also and always want to be me. I ain't following no one.
I appreciate that.
Yes, I want to work off of my own decision.
I like that.
Why are you laughing?
Well, it's just how you keep looking at me. So, where did your dad go?
Probably he's outside smoking.
Well, he said he was coming back.
Probably he doesn't finish smoke.
Well, can we go find him? Maybe we can smoke with him.
We?
Yeah.
Why?
I like to smoke.
Have you ever asked me for ganja?
No, but he had some in his hand and I figured let's just all go hang out. Like the next beach day, I think the men should come. You, your dad, your sister's boyfriend. Maybe I can bring her a man.
Kira, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Why you wanna bring my dad with you?
Why do you sound like you're jealous about your own father?
No, I'm not jealous.
Well, what? I need to meet your whole family, not just the women. Right? Don't you want your dad to like me too?
You want to bring my dad to ask him for ganja?
Well, no, like to hang out with all of us. Like, don't you want everyone to like me, right?
My dad.
Well, yeah, he's part of your family.
My dad now, he doesn't like to go out.
Well, with the whole family, he should. Like, he should meet your new girlfriend.
No, my dad not gonna go anywhere.
I think we can talk him into it.
Huh?
We can talk him into it. We'll bring everyone.
Kira. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yeah, but are you listening to what I'm saying? Like, your dad should like me and your sister and your mom. Like, what?
Kira, you know what?
Like-
My dad should like what?
Well, of course, like me.
Kira, you know what? I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go back on the beach with you
Okay.
and chill a little till I'm ready to come back home.
Okay, let's go then.
So let's go. I'm gonna call.
Well, can we make that date for your family and your dad?
Kira, seems like me I talk too much English. Me I speak too much proper English. Me I speak in a patois. My dad no left him yard none tall. My father a man was stay in a yard. You understand now?
Well, we can change all that. Let's like have a good.
Let's go, Kira,
Okay,
let's go.
Let me finish my drink first. Okay.
Yeah, me I go call my family them. Me then tell her bye till tomorrow.
Okay. Tomorrow's the beach day
Yes, for you.
for the girls,
Yes.
and then the men are on another day.
So, Kira, thank you for this day out.
Oh, I know, it's perfect.
So tell me what you love about my son, so.
Oh my God, he reminds me of a Marley, but he sings. He sang part of his song that he has. I love it. He's very talented.
Yes, he is. He takes it from me.
Oh, you sing too. I want him to grow his locks like you.
Okay.
Yeah, he said he's going to. So I love.
think he might go do that still.
No?
That's his. I'm a film style.
No? Well, he said he would do it. I don't.
Him changed too.
Yeah. Your daughter is the cutest though.
Thank
Oh my God, she's the best. And your brother, of course.
One big happy family.
Yes, you guys are the best. But do you swim? Cause your uncle doesn't swim. Do you? You want to learn? Okay, we can all swim. See, we can wear these. Can I wear these? Can I try them? Why? We can share, right?
I'm not for you.
Can I wear these?
No.
No. How come?
I'm not for you.
They're your favorite. I like them too. I'll trade you. You can wear my
So, Kira, yes, enough of the baby. Right, tell me about yourself a little bit more.
Well, I love Jamaica. I travel a lot. I go to all different islands, but Jamaica's my favorite. Of course, the people, the music, the food. Your brother. No, I just want to keep coming back here. He's a big part of why I keep coming back here so much.
Yes, like, we're not have this thing going on for a long time, man.
Well, I hope it goes on for a long time.
So, how long you really know him, or a long time when not talk?
Not too long, but hopefully for long. We can keep it going. I mean, I like his family and him and everyone. You guys are the best. And it's so nice.
He always makes the best choice.
He does.
Right, the very best. Even, I never see him take up one girl when it was not perfect. And
Wow. So I hope I can equal up to that.
You have big shoes to fill. I'm sure you'll fill them.
right.
I don't know. I'm nervous. I was really nervous about this.
Oh, don't be nervous. We're normal people.
Wow. Everyone here is so lovely.
Yeah, we're nice, man. That's perfect. Yeah, you know, fit up today as his next girlfriend. Can you know, saying they have one next girlfriend like one back then long time.
Well, as long as you teach me how to cook.
You can't. You
Well,
don't.
Jamaican food. I need to learn.
No, you don't have to learn.
Oh, yeah?
You know, you like fast food. You know, like
He likes pizza.
yeah,
Ah!
something you have to learn.
So if he came to America, he would fit right in
Right, me
with
can.
pizza and junk food.
Yes, you know what you said. We can do the cooking for you, man.
I think he wants to travel.
Huh?
I think he wants to travel.
I'm telling you, man, something.
He said he might want a visa to come visit me.
Oh, you can give man.
Yes, he always had high ambitions.
And if he sings, maybe I can help him there.
You know what?
If he sings and the song is really good.
He sings.
He's-
So he sings for you.
Oh, yeah, the song that he recorded, it was really good.
Oh, in Brockhampton?
Oh yeah. Did you you didn't hear it?
No, no.
Oh well.
It's news to me.
Did you?
Maybe you're going to surprise me. Maybe you're going to surprise
It's
me.
a surprise.
Right.
It's a surprise
Okay.
already.
When we have
I can sing like
like
sing.
good, yeah, like he sounds like a Marley. Like he looks and sounds great. But when we do swimming day, we should have singing day too.
Oh, so why does him do for you out of the ordinary?
So, David danced for you as well?
Not yet.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
So I have a question though. You sure him sing for you?
Yeah.
So him never yet sing for me yet.
Uh-oh.
I
Well,
remember see you're him sister, girl. Him not gonna sing for you.
But I never see him sing for me. But you know have somebody who him see him ever sing for you?
No, me never hear him sing.
I never hear him sing for them ex them either. So she must be special man.
you need to hear this one song. But now I have to see him dance.
Huh?
You said he dances.
him probably just dance special people. But since him sing for you, he must can dance for you.
Yeah.
You're special, man. You're
So my
special.
sister-in-law, I want to ask you one question.
Mhm.
So like you say, you're so in love with my brother.
Mhm.
When did I get married?
I hope we can get married. Did you hear something?
No, I'm just
Oh.
ask. Your mom, you know if you want
Oh,
to marry him, I bet
I-
you have future with him.
I would. What do you know something I don't?
No, I'm just asking, no.
Oh yeah,
So
no.
we're just having a cover.
Hope so.
Hope so.
Because then I can have a new sister and a new mommy. And you.
So you're planning to having a kids for him?
I don't have any kids, but what?
You
So you're planning for having
I
him?
didn't think about it, but I'm open. Well, we can share yours.
Uh-huh.
Well, I mean, she's cute and already grown.
Mhm.
We don't have to start over. Uh-oh.
No.
Well, look.
Walking on the boat, people.
I know. Look, do you want to go on this boat? Look at the boat. Wouldn't that be fun?
So you know, some brother not really, him say him not really want to have no kids and stuff like that. So if you're planning to conceive, you don't have to worry about that because him not really like kids.
He doesn't
He
want.
have needs.
Okay, because I'm a little old anyway, but
Yeah,
I mean,
he don't want kids.
okay.
And have
Well, that's perfect.
Yeah.
we can all just spoil yours.
funny.
Well, I would just love to buy her everything because he talks about her 24/7.
Yes, I'm one niece, the one children, the one child in the house, and got to talk about.
Yeah,
her.
see?
Tell me
Right?
about me too.
He talks about you all the time,
Right.
both of you.
I'm one.
Okay, so you want to go get drinks at the bar and we'll get some fruit juice? Some food maybe?
To that.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
You ready? Come on, you want to get
your bag.
Want to get some chicken fingers?
Remember your bag.
All right. Ready, guys? Let's go. Ready?
Come, go with grandma. Go
We're gonna
with
get
grandma.
some juice.
Go with grandma.
Come get some juice. When here we're going back some.
Today was a nice day.
Thank you, Kira.
Oh, you're so welcome. I'm just happy you all had a great time.
Glad me never wet me hair still.
So, well, maybe next time we can bring the boys.
Me like the girls' trip.
Yeah,
the
that
girls'
was-
trip is nice.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, talking about boys. Where's David?
You know.
Well, you remember I was gonna find a friend for you.
Huh?
I was gonna find a man for you. Next time we can, like, all the boys can hang out.
And David.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm alright.
How have you been? So next time we have to plan a day when the boys can come too
We'll come where?
for the beach.
Hi, never mind that. Let's go inside. You need to see the rain. Come inside and sit
okay,
down.
okay. Oh, we'll meet you inside.
Daddy, you can come in when you're there.
Yeah, man.
Daddy!
David, what's up?
Oh, Uncle Daddy. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Yeah. Hey.
Let's come here.
Alright.
All right.
Yes, sis. She's so nice. Your sister, your everyone. We have
Yes,
the best,
of course she is.
we have the best day, right? You have the best day? Yeah.
So, Kira, mom, you enjoy beach?
Oh God, it was a blessing. We have to do girls trip more often.
Yeah, but once in a while we can bring the boys.
Boys?
You and your dad and well, I can maybe get your sister a man. I have some friends that might like her.
No, that is okay. My sister, she don't need any man.
Well, she might.
Don't look any man for my sister.
Mm.
Sister is okay.
Oh, you're very protective. I like that.
We're a protective family. Me have something to do, so me I go around the corner. And I leave you two lovebirds to talk. When they talk about to each other future and how each other future go on. Don't bring Trina in the relationship here. Talk about in the future.
I'm not sure she likes me. It's almost like every time I bring up your dad, she like looks at me funny.
No, man. My mom, she's so lovely. And if she never love you or likes you, she wouldn't have go to the beach with you.
Well, maybe she wanted to see if she likes me, and maybe she'll tell you later. I don't know.
No, that's okay.
I-
Everyone in my family accept you.
Oh, I hope so.
And everyone love you.
How about your dad? Does he also?
Well, yes.
Okay. Because we never talk about him. So how do I know?
Well, you wanna go and talk to it?
Yeah. I should get to know him a little better, right?
Okay, sure.
Okay. I'll be back. Do you want to come?
No, don't stay too long.
I won't. Hey. How have you been?
Yeah, still.
We don't hear from you much. We don't hear from you much.
That's how I stay. I'm always chilling, you know?
Well, you should come hang out with us next time.
I don't do much of a hang now. What you up to?
Well, you should get to know me. I'm part of your family now.
Yeah, I know you now.
Well, not enough.
Yeah, I met you inside there.
But
now.
we should like all get together and like get to know each other.
Get together.
Yeah.
What do you mean get together?
Like hang out.
You and my son is together.
But you don't you want to know your son's friend?
Where they on?
Huh? Well, we can keep a little secret.
What do you mean?
Think about it. You know what I mean.
So you say, him not touch you yet now, no?
What do we have to talk about him for? Let's talk about us.
Why don't you beat me up, Awa?
What?
Why you try to beat me up?
No. Shh. Like maybe me and you could like hang out. He's just a boy. I like a man. I like you. You're cute. Come on, you don't have to tell him. It's a secret. Here, let me give you my number. Here, Kira, remember? Just, okay?
Go and check in and see how you feel.
Boy.
Boy, me don't know what this white woman are doing now. Cause the plan was she's supposed to talk to David and do the thing for David, which would benefit all the way. Me not like how she look for my man, you know. She don't know some box her down, you know.
Listen, no, we have a bag you, man. You know we can't get locked up for that. No matter box her down yet, all and me supposed to want box her down. If me to go tell me about, oh, you're pretty nice. I touch my picking with her out of
And I breathe all over my grand pitney like say she's somebody.
Go on out there, so now. Go to your man, bro. You say a ganja?
Hey, I wanted to give her a ganja. Hey! I true, me no want go against the plan because I want you and David and everybody for come through.
To be honest, no matter now, I never go through this situation yet, you know. Never, no man can't tell me no either time put me in this situation now. But I told me love you, son, enough. And I told me what's the best for me, you know. But you see, anyhow, him no over your plan, continue with this plan and make sure the plan go as me and him plan it. Every dollar was smash up. Because me, I call the woman myself and tell her, come on, random man. Me, I call her and say, I don't understand. Oh, I make this a woman. Him tell me say she go come here one time. All I first every day she reach here.
family trip and the boys and for come. You know, see how me spin it round, girls trip, how we all go.
But
boys
you know,
to
see,
come.
oh, she's still like, you know, see, oh, she's still stand up in front of your man. And you know, say me I laugh.
You know, sister, when she shake my hand like say me a nobody, she not get up. But as soon as my husband come in, hey, please meet, she like say she a jump. You know, see how me just come in front of her,
You know,
so.
say me I laugh, cause it sweet me, kill me, then I'm gonna stop being a woman.
Shana, me I tell you now, you're a real soldier, but me no soldier like you, and me want the one bury him. Can you see how she love take up young boy? And your old man she want to, you know, hear her about, I love that. You hear her though?
Yes, I love the locks
me
then.
give her some locks, you know.
David. So, hey,
What's up?
what's going on?
You talk to my dad already?
Yeah, he was super nice. He tried to give me some ganja, but I told him I would just get it from you.
Oh,
My
that's
sweet
cool.
boyfriend.
So you okay?
Yeah.
Nice, good.
What are we doing next? You wanna go hang?
Huh?
Some weed? Gun?
Weed, hold on. I'm gonna check. I think I got some ganja here. Hold on.
Okay.
But
You're a real soldier.
But, hello, I talked to David last night, you know. I'm telling something like on this woman, like, hands up, I'm picking. You know, so she out hard. I didn't hear her, I'm telling her on the beach, but, I don't stop having a kid because we can have this one. You know, hear me?
You know, see me rub you down, come in, feel say you're going to get up and
shut
shut her box.
Keep coming to hug here, you see? But you don't hear about it.
I just
What
the
you mean?
plan. I just the plan make me calm down. But here what? Me never go free, you know. Cause me not believe in taking children for fool. Cause me a girl too.
We don't take it for fool. I said, girl was
no,
for fool.
but you see how the little brute in there. I love your locks. And now we are going to ring sit.
Between me and you, though, it seems like she's even not interested into Barry.
She better uninterested into Barry, because Barry is not part of the plan.
But you know, see, she gone to him now. Me and to him say him can't come in. Him there sit down there smile.
Hey, I the plan me have to remember, you know. Because you know how much time. You know how much time my spirit jump out of my body and shut it about me say. Me just have to remember the plan and all on the future.
You guys close? Well, I want everyone in your family to like me.
But you know, hear Zaria call him daddy every minute.
And so make me have to tell her, say call him uncle. And me tell the old dragon, say, no, I the only main father figure, so she call him uncle and daddy.
She's a baby. I'm
Of course.
tell him, me didn't want him, you know, me say listen to me, David. The baby now gonna remember if I call the Uncle David. But she me say, you know what, but me nothing more about me than when the woman said she wants to be last time. See over where?
See over where?
Me say, and nearly
But she brave though.
Nearly most you have to come pick up your son, bring him to hospital. Me say, me say, hello, listen to me, don't me have nothing, you know. And I just hope him not take a pill enough so I go sleep with that woman, you know, because me say, if I make her find out.
No, you know nothing to worry about. Because remember the plan, you know. Him a go get the paperwork and marry it and divorce it straight. Actually, him a go annul. Him not even go do nothing with her. And then send for you and the baby and all the way, and we're gonna live happily ever. Worry about him, man.
I'm gonna wrap up this, but I'm gonna ask you one little question, right? You think so if anything, when them divorce her, she gonna want to do anything because I kind of look afraid and I want to look away, you know. Because she seems like she's a woman with money, you know. So them foreign people, you know, them crazy. They will pay somebody for analyze you.
Hey, let me tell you something. She can't manage we. Jamaica is a different place and the Jamaicans are different people. But come, make we go inside before she start feel away.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Barry, I'm at the same place. I'm waiting for you.
Where say they are same place?
I'm at the same place. I'm here.
Okay, don't move. I'll be there in a minute.
Okay, hurry.
Alright, so them sell the bike then, you know.
Oh, I like them. These are cute.
Nice one, yeah.
What? Look at clothes.
Yeah, but I like that. A blue one there. She was scooter.
Oh.
And a my color too, you see me? Yo, it's nice.
Okay, this should be fun.
Sit down for your head.
I can do it. I got it. Put yours on. Let's go. Hurry.
Watch it, man, should it out. You know what I'm going to put on it? Lion of Judah. Yeah, man. Dashboard.
Oh, do you know how to do this?
Say it, I go on, just you can ride it, man.
Sure.
We ride it. Another place that I tell you about. You're the first person who ever buy me a bike.
Well,
And you know what? I thank you.
you're welcome. We can get a car, we can travel, we get your visa.
Yeah? So what about my son?
Well, he's just a boy. We can work on you and you can come get your visa and then he's welcome to come after and join us. Why are you worried about that?
Nah, worried, man.
Okay.
Just I look and say probably my order your meal and a drink, you know? Make you feel alright. Say alright though.
This is fun.
Tell you the truth, kind of feel nervous, you know. I know say you're my son, girlfriend and thing, you know.
Well, I was never really the girlfriend.
And when my stamp print out, you know. I don't want to fool in the squad, you know them really?
Well, he's just a boy. You're a man. I'm your age. We're good.
So me sure say you're not gonna do that to me too.
You're not a boy.
But remember say me have a woman over there.
Well, isn't she sickly? She coughs an awful lot. I figured she was on her way out.
Can't say that about my woman.
Well, what's wrong with her? She don't look so healthy.
So just a little flu.
You think? Did she go to the doctor?
Everything depends. She have a medication and stuff.
Okay, we'll see. But anyway, why are you worried about that right now?
Just feel bad.
Well, do you want something to make you feel better? There's more where that came from.
Where you get money from for buy bike? 'Cause this must have cost over 300, 400,000.
A long time I save, you know. A long time I save the money. Come here and say we can't just walk up and down all over the place. So You know me do work now and then and give her a piece of money and put one side. And I ground me save them money, you know.
Oh, so really me I hide money from? I have me, I beg and borrow from my son. I go hungry more nights. Why do you have money for bike?
Hungry now will kill you. Watch you know, sometimes you have to make sacrifice. Oh, you think me get it? If you never bear some hungry sometime.
You have this your breed of money hide from me. Me and you supposed to be a partnership, you know.
Look
So
here,
what else you hide from me?
No, that's what I tell you now. After this, you know, so I go build up a big house and them stuff there.
So
Yeah?
this your house not big enough?
No, we can go and build some apartment and rent them out, babes.
So how much more you have hide from me, son?
No more I know. It's just a little gas money. Me just have and put some gas in it.
Why squall them I'm out more time?
Take your own panic, man.
Go on power. So how much more? Barry, how much money you have hide from me?
No have no more, man. Me just have to tell you, me save up the money for buy that. Come on, man. If you're not go right panic, man.
So what are the secrets you hide from me,
You
son?
don't have no more secret. Everything all right.
Money, you know?
You know, say, I'm glad I jump up and I say, Ray, now.
Jump up so you hide things from me?
Come on, Tyrone.
So you hide things from me,
Come on,
Barry?
Tyrone.
This a big thing, you know?
I mean, if a big thing. So now that you want to have, you don't need a bicycle right now.
So
go up on the bike, man.
From this?
Go up on the bike.
No, I go on no bike, man.
Listen to me. Come on the bike. Come on the bike. Show you. Enjoy yourself and show you. Come on the bike, no, man.
No drop me, you know?
I'm going to drop you. Me can ride.
Righty.
And me ride the bike, come here, so man. Just come on the bike, babes. Babes, enjoy yourself.
Oh, you drop me.
Enjoy yourself. Just hold on the rest now. Sure. You ready?
What?
I'm just thinking, like, you're probably a little bit too young. Maybe we shouldn't keep this going on.
This, what are you mean?
Like, we can hang out and be friends, but I don't think we should try to make it anything more than that.
Kira, really?
Well, yeah, I mean...
After you make we come this far.
Well, we had some fun.
Kira,
But-
you're serious or what?
Well, yeah, but I mean, we could still be friends. Like, I might still come around. I might just have to go home. I don't know. And, like, we can hang out or be friends.
Question. If you have a breakup
Yeah.
with a relationship or a situationship, why you wanna keep come to my house?
Well, I still like your family, and we could maybe hang out and
You know,
smoke.
I feel comfortable, Kira.
I don't know, but I'm not sure yet. I have to run back home anyway, so maybe when I get back, we'll figure it out.
Kira, you disappoint me. You let me down.
Yeah, but like their age difference, there's like a whole lot. It's just like, think about it. I don't know.
So, you never think about, say, me the too young for in the first place?
Well, no, I didn't realize how young you were. Like, I'm more your parents' age, you know? It's kind of like I'm your mom and dad's age. Like, it's kind of...
Okay, no problem.
You know.
It's okay, Kira, it's okay.
Well, we can still be friends.
I ain't being no friend with
Well,
you.
I'm always here in Jamaica, so, like, I'm sure we'll bump into each other.
Well, if you wanna come here, it's not me you're gonna look for. It's probably my dad or my mom or my sister or my niece. It's okay.
I like them all. Like, maybe we can all hang out again. Like, beach day thing. or
No,
whatever.
you and my mom, my dad and my sis and my niece. I don't want any
Well, I
friend
can
from
buy
you.
weed from you. Like,
Yes.
okay.
That is a good
well,
idea.
then I'll
but
call you for that, and we'll see what happens.
I can't believe all now.
Sorry. I just let me go back home, and then when I get back, I'll clear my mind and think better.
All right. Yeah.
When you get here, your brain melts. It's so hot.
Think about what you have to think about.
Yeah.
Let me know what
I
you're
gotta
up to.
get some money together anyway. I just spent a lot of money on a thing that I bought, so.
What did you buy?
I put a lot of money out on a thing here, and then I bought some things for my mom and my friends at home. So, like, yeah, it was just a big chunk of my savings, and I have to, like, go back home and make some more money now.
I understand, because if I was in your position, that would be stressing me right now.
Yeah. And
So I think you're a little bit stressed.
Yeah, and I spent a little too much on a thing that I'm not sure I should have. But anyway, I gotta go. I'm late for a thing, and but I mean, we had fun. Like, all right, give me a hug.
Okay.
All right, I'm sure I'll see you around. I'm always here.
I'm gonna follow you.
Well, you don't have to. Like, I'm good. I'm good. I'm really late, so I'm just gonna run. All right. Okay. Bye.
Yo, look how I'm planning for that green car there, man.
David!
You know, Mr. Rambo.
I'm there, man. How deal it?
Yeah, man, everything active.
Most of them, bro. You see it. So where are they, so?
You see, I did me there, I chill out, though.
Long time I see you on the ball field.
Why? All game I deal with me.
I reach out now, man.
Yeah, man, but reach out, man. Not like that, man, brother.
Reach out now, man. See, like, for no family, I buy you no beer things and something.
Who that?
Same lady when I see a part of no, man.
Oh, you know.
Okay, make sure buy me a bike too.
Where I come off with that no Rambo?
Eh?
You know, say I walk, me I walk.
So, you not get none yet?
None yet. Where I talk about?
No, but me I say, your father get one already, when I buy them already, so you not get none yet.
My father get bike.
Brother, top go like, oh, you're fool, you take one final, bro.
Boy, you come like a joke, you come for give me or what? Where you come for give me? Joke. My father get bike. I save him man, save him money and buy bike. What kind of get bike?
So now white man carry run. Mama say I don't want to shop my work, bro. Mama say me line up a bike them and tune up a bike them.
Bro.
I see a white lady, I say I run her car and buy the bike, bro.
Bro, lie I tell.
I mean, so yo, that's what I say, yo, if you're not lucky. Cause yo, make you woman know say me a part of the family too. Cause I look like say, all I wanna get things, bro.
Bro, I'm my woman that.
That's cool. What?
Why my woman? I'm me control the white woman, you know. All know me no receive nothing, you know. So how my father forget bike?
Hold on, David, you control the white woman?
Then I will control her.
And the woman a buy bike, your father. The bike where you see your father with the blue bike, I don't shop it. I don't shop it buying. The woman swipe the card right in front of me, bro.
The Rambo.
Yo, look at them. I really cashier action here, bro.
How white man look?
No one slim white man, bro. When I see you do know over the yard all the while, bro. The whole family out, bro.
Rambo. Tell me the truth.
Brother, I see, yo, brother, I not tell none of the youth. As a youth, I actually never know, bro. Sure. Yo, you know me not telling a lie. Far where I come from, brother.
So bike with my father have and his savings money. When tell me.
Savings. Alright, off a woman card, bro. Woman have one nice dark blue card, bro.
Yo,
that card look like
that
card look like a full.
Man, I laugh, bro.
Yo, some of them must laugh. Oh, you feel a woman and them buy your father bike first. You hear that? Remember, I don't them work father. I'm to your youth. I don't know joke thing, brother, but you wanna big up yourself, because I go to the road. Matter of fact, I shouldn't even say that to you, because I don't see any, you know.
No
anyway,
information, man.
They say fall no big season in a mangoes fight, you know. So look
yo, Rambo.
Yo, look come on. Tapping eyes, look come on. Don't say nothing.
Oh, so that's why this woman a break up with me. Oh, sir. Father forgot tell me what I go on. Mommy! 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 What? Look at it. Come here and go in the house, cause I really need to talk to you about something.
You get the visa.
Mommy, come on, we talk. You don't want nobody hear my business.
Alright, come. Hello, baby. Hello, yes.
Mommy.
Bill. Come, man fast come and leave the pot on fire.
I want Miss Mom.
And then man come call me out and tell me saying you have something to tell me.
Mommy. Rambo, me see Rambo. And Rambo, I make me know say. You see bike where daddy a ride. A Kira buy me it.
No bother with that. Don't bother with it. David, me no know how your father turns so, but your father saved the money. No bother give the glory to to her. Your daddy saved the money. Make me have dry squall on my mouth. I beg you for money while him have the money. I save for much years under the bed. No bother with it.
Wait, which Kira? Your woman Kira?
No, you're a woman. How much Kira you know?
No, me have to ask because she said the bike but your father write a she bike. What if be she bike by your woman? You confuse me, sir.
Mommy, daddy no have no money. Where daddy forget money from?
Him save the money.
Where was get money for save and they work now they at work? Me not understand. David,
Mommy.
what to you and Kira?
Kira break up a relationship.
Your relationship?
When?
Some you don't know all of what go on. Everything that take place in a yard, you don't know what go on.
Me don't know either.
You not tell if Shanna don't know how me fi know.
But your relationship, my thing said it was a plan, but your relationship.
Mommy, me have proof. You see, if you try and your son don't believe me, me have proof.
You see, because David, one thing I like with you, when you're hurting, you love throw a tantrum. You don't feel say you're too big for throw a tantrum now. Just because the girl left you, you come mess up my head. I can put my pop on my head.
Mommy,
because
wait.
I don't understand it.
I go prove it. I call Rambo. I work in a bike shop and prove it.
For nothing? So all this was for nothing?
Wait, mommy.
Oh! Me know what the issue is, Me know exactly how. She was not blind. We're all a big people. The white woman did a flirt with Barry. And true she dropped him. David enough once, And that make you think said the white woman buy your father to buy.
You don't think so them there?
No, your father don't like a bone in her. Between all the way, your father just say he never like her, not even for you. You know nothing to worry about.
Mommy, wait now. Me still not prove it. Me still not prove it.
No. And me still not talk about for the facts. You never tell me say you're the girl. Stop talk.
Seeing is believing. Watch her. Me go call Rambo.
Put on the slippers, girl.
Make it quick, I'm me hungry right now.
Yo, Rambo. There, no brother. Everything active.
I'm seeing my father, man. Everything active, man. They are support bro. Where they put?
No, see, I them there, me area, so I prove something to my people, them, and I don't mind if I could have just make them understand me. I try.
That's why I be, bro. Yes, when I see me earlier.
Yeah, bro.
Come back down for the work, you have to check up on it. So, I soon left work, so I soon call about bad, bro.
No, bro, wait, no, bro. My family, them there, bro. I just one simple match, bro. Me I tell them, say, alright, you hear me? Me I tell my mother, say, I want a white lady come buy my father bike. She don't believe me. She a hear her. Talk, make she hear.
No, so you meet me up, so brother.
Bro, relax, bro. You don't know if you put in a problem.
Ask him the name. Ask him the name. And if you can tell me the name, then I believe you.
What could you?
Yeah, my mother. Alright, Rambo. Yeah, no. You know I name a white lady will come buy bike.
Yeah, man, I know a lady name, bro. Then the lady name on the funny system, she by the wife, bro.
Alright, tell me lady name.
The lady name Kira Luxemburg.
You see.
What could you?
Tell you.
Last name.
Bye, Barry.
No.
A bike?
No, I'm not point out. Here, come on, look.
Alright, Rambo, big up.
That's sorry, I want to send one bike too.
Tell, mommy, you see, me tell her, but you never believe me.
Sometimes the father and son, you see you, and you start this. And even if you blame me now, and you start this because you bring girl in the yard. And you bring girl in the house to mess up everybody. You see you, me tell you, me didn't want you, but you never want you because you want to take shortcut. What you know? What benefit of it? My opinion again on yet, you know. I'm not really go overseas yet, so I know what go on. I know what go on. Call the girl, you know. Call the girl.
Hold on. I saw Mick from Barry get the bike, you know. Him no come off of the road, no, not all, you know.
I swear, like, I didn't even see
I know when she rub up in love.
See you? Yo, you didn't tell me, say,
it now go so, you know. It now go so. Done with you, and I take my man, it now go so.
What you take my man for?
What we are gonna do? What we are gonna do? Cause it now go, nigga season the girl. Nigga season the girl. You see the one bury him? What? Your father? You don't have no father no more. Watch this.
Yes, what we are gonna do? Yes, what you
What we are gonna do?
Sit down.
Now go so. Come on,
no.
Wait, watch.
I'm a plan. You see you. You see you. You see your cars. Me tell you, be sent to the shortcut. You all left, girl. All left you. Me no know about it. And me you sit down and make plan. What you call the girl? Call the girl. When are your plan? Hello, call the girl. You know. Oh, you not call her. All right. Since you don't want to call her, now worry yourself. Come and go call her. Every day out smash up.
Call her. Call the brutes.
One more come and save her.
No, you know what? Me not talk because if me talk,
no,
tell her about my body, you know it.
We're being nice. You know what I'm saying? Calm and deadly. See how you watch me and you next. Send out the number. Sorry. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, darling. How are you doing?
Good. It's good to hear from you.
Yes. How long me not see you? Good while now still, but you know, we did have a little family get together, you know, with me, mommy and so forth. And you know, like how we did enjoy the little girls' night, girls' date. Yeah, so I was wondering if I could come over about 7 o'clock.
When?
Today, man. 6 o'clock.
Okay. What time?
No, you can come 6 o'clock because like it's 5 o'clock. No, you can come 6 o'clock. No, now you know you can come now. If you're in the here, where are you?
Do you want me to bring some food or drinks or what? Just come over?
No, you can just come, man. You can just come. We have everything here. You can just come now. Cause we'll sit.
I can be there in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Make it.
All right. Yeah, mommy excited to see you now.
Yeah, I will see you very soon.
All right. Okay, so yeah.
Okay.
All right, be safe. We got much of the girls.
Season the girl. All you?
Yes. Are you crazy? No. I take my man. Remember
my son.
But still, no drink of a man for yourself.
If you never agree to me, tell you something. I agree with you.
Listen to me. Remember me baby father. Regardless of what him do. Cause no. Alright, David. Make you know what will happen.
Make your father make a mistake.
So David.
Make your father make a mistake and go say.
So hold on.
Hey.
Calm down, me man now, what do you? Calm down, man. I understand your grief, man. So, babes, what you plan for? Because as she we are rely upon, you know. So what are you gonna do now?
Well, I think me I left in a feel no control.
Say we're gonna make you mash up the girl. Make about what you plan to do about the family. Come back and you are the head of the family. So you go have to take care of me and your child. Same way.
I continue to do what I did do at first.
The body work out make we reach right so. So what we gonna do? Cycle. You know plan to go back to school and work now when I see this happen. Listen to me, better eat. What now? Remember the garbage truck work my mother tell about for 1 day? You go put on the clothes and you shall go. You hear? You shall, I mean I want you're not a thing. You shall put on the garbage suit and you shall go. Oh.
What you mean shall go?
What you mean by what I mean shall go?
What you mean by?
You're going to work.
Me not work for no garbage truck.
No, I know that. I know that. Bet me. You want to go work for white girl. No white girl, girl, if you and you broke the dog. So you shall work on the garbage truck. Oh, and guess what? White girl, left you and take up your path. Oh, call Barry.
You're right.
Oh, Tana.
Give me your phone.
Too much happening now. Too much.
Sweet like Halloween.
I want you. Call him, man. Where him them at after?
I'll open it and call him. I not even see straight how my man.
If they take too long, man.
All I see already. You see when the dirty white woman come, me I go season her case. And
I never season her case, so.
Everyone bury him, but save money.
Oh,
But
Tada.
save money under bed. Me I go save him life under the bed. Watch me and him.
Take time, take time.
Because you broke me man heart. Jesus. You see how you?
You talk to him. Come here and talk to him. Right?
Hello?
Hello.
Uncle Barry.
Wait, Auntie Simone want to talk to you.
Barry. 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 Come on quick, baby. Me drop down. Me drop down. Come on quick. Me dip on the bathroom floor, can't get up.
Okay, I'm coming.
How you not sound panic? Because I'm coming, you hear me dip on the bathroom floor. Yes, remember about the bike. Remember exactly about the bike. Because I'm full.
Alright, Uncle Barry.
Hear him, but me have a bike, you know. Him not business something dip on floor, drop on a dead. Him have a... Wait, just wait.
Auntie Simone girl broke me man heart.
Right, you know, she broke him heart, me I got broke her head.
Go on, walk. So we can go down the same time.
Alright, so online service of my people. You want to renew your business registration or you want to do it for the first time. At them that, same thing can do that. You want to do your fitness for your vehicle or your registration for your vehicle. At them that. As I say, police record, at them that. See, if you have a traffic ticket where you want to pay online, at them that. If your traffic ticket rub out you can't see nothing funny, link them up. Pretty much then do most things online. Skip the line, man. Call online service hub. Remember me telling you know, and me, Maggy telling you. If I nothing, the whole Maggy accountable. See it? And you want to renew your passport or you want to do it for the first time, link them up. Online service hub. Big up on yourself. I'm out.